protection, the international reckoning behind Durov arrest. So, the arrest of Telegram founder and CEO, which is Pavel Durov in France at the end of August 2024, was due to his failure to comply with rules regarding the moderation of content deemed harmful to society. And France investigated the circulation of child pornography, terrorist propaganda, and the organized crime activity. Pavel Durov, as the main director at the platform, is considered to be aware of various illegal activities that use Telegram as a platform.
However, Durov was deemed by French law enforcement officials to be negligent and unwilling to give cooperate in moderating or prohibiting the uploading of such content. According to the company principles, Telegram provides a platform for everyone regardless of political, religious, social, and economic background to express their opinion without fear of censorship regarding Durov's arrest. Telegram issued that an official statement that Durov has nothing to hide.
The French government has arrested Pavel Durov as the grounds that Telegram knowingly allowed the circulation of criminal content, such as child pornography, terrorist propaganda, and organized crime activity, an intolerable abdication of responsibility. The platform deliberately hid behind the mantra of freedom of expression to avoid its legal obligation, creating a hotbed of digital crime that threatens global security. This case proves that Telegram's anti-moderation business model poses a serious threat to child protection, national security, and international stability. Democratic countries like France should take decisive action, as allowing illegal content like this is tantamount to being an accomplice to transnational crime. It is authoritarian regimes that will benefit from the mission, as they can use the example of Telegram as a justification to create a closed national internet that limits open digital space, especially for human rights activists.
Argument. Pavel Durov arrest reflects the tension between digital privacy police and government pressure to enforce law, which can impact international relations. According to a report from the Europe Commission, about 1 in 5 children in Europe experience online sexual exploitation, prompting governments to demand centralized action against platforms that do not comply with regulations. Additionally, a survey by the Pew Research Center showed that 81% of adults in the U.S. feel that the risk of losing control over their personal data is a major issue, creating uncertainty for global companies in the face of increasingly strict regulation in Europe and its impact on freedom of experience.
Impact on user and investor confidence as well as the political tension. The arrest of Pavel Durov has raised concern among users and investors, particularly regarding privacy and security on Telegram as a platform that offers digital freedom. Some users are beginning to question whether Telegram can continue to operate as a truly open communication space, free from government intervention, while the market value of Toncoin, the currency associated with Telegram, has dropped significantly following the news. Beyond financial implications, this case has also triggered diplomatic tension between France and the United Arab Emirates, where Telegram is based. France is pressuring the United Arab Emirates to revoke Telegram's legal protection, which could disrupt the company's operation and set a precedent of global regulation targeting that firms that refuse to moderation content.
Pavel Durov arrest and content moderation. Pavel Durov arrest in French highlights a significant dilemma between freedom of expression and the responsibility of content moderation on a digital platform. Durov is the cause of neglecting the presence of illegal content on Telegram, such as child pornography and terrorist propaganda, which endanger society, while Telegram emphasizes its commitment to user privacy and freedom. The French government asserts that this freedom should not be used to protect illegal activities. This case underscores the importance of clear regulations and law enforcement to ensure that digital platforms can be held accountable without compromising the right to freedom of expression.
The arrest of Pavel Durov takes decisive and threaten freedom of expression and digital privacy. Telegram cannot fully control consent due to encryption, making it unfair to hold Durov personally accountable. Such a repressive approach risks undermining public trust and stifling technological innovation.
Why Durov arrest raised free speech and tax progress. Pavel Durov arrest is seen as a threat to free speech and privacy, with critics arguing that punish a thief CEO for user content sets a dangerous precedent. Telegram insists it's just a tool, but a user should be responsible for what they post. Durov called the choice unfair, saying that encryption helps activities in oppressive country. Experts say the law doesn't support him, while personally irresponsible and some like Elon Musk suspect political motive. And why Durov claims France could have solved the issue through talk instead of arresting him.
What was France done after arresting Telegram CEOs? First, stricter laws. France is enforcing rules that force apps like Telegram to remove illegal content, like child abuse or terror posts. If they don't, they could be fined or blocked. 2. Investigating Telegram. The French government is checking how Telegram handles illegal content and whether its privacy features help criminals. 3. Working with other countries. France is talking to the EU to take action against Telegram if it keeps ignoring moderation rules. 4. Public pressures. The arrest sends a message. Tech companies must follow the law or face consequences. Some politicians want harsher punishment for CEOs who ignore rules. 5. Telegram defense. Telegram say it respects privacy and remove illegal content when reported. Durov are fighting the charge.
The fairness of holding platform founders accountable for user-generated content is a complex issue involving legal, ethical, and regulatory aspects. Some argue the platform should moderate harmful content to prevent societal harm, while others believe legal protection like Section 230 in the US shield the from liability, emphasizing user accountability. Advocates for accountability argue that platform owners should prevent harmful content, whereas opponents contend that platforms are intermediaries and should not be liable unless directly involved in legal activities. Extreme accountability could also lead to overt censorship, stifling free expressions. Balancing accountability and free speech remains a critical challenge for policymakers and platforms operators.
Guys, thank you for watching our video. Bye!
Bye! Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share.
Dan stop tugas video.
Kebetulan ya sudah di